Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Netflix history. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser or the Netflix application. If you open up the web browser, simply type in netflix.com in the address bar and proceed with logging into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into your Netflix homepage. Now, in order to delete your Netflix history, simply hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. Now, from the Account Settings page, simply scroll down and then click on the drop-down menu alongside your profile. From here, you can change various settings. Scroll all the way down and you will be able to find Viewing Activity. Simply click on the View button at the right side and then you will find all of your viewing activity. If you scroll all the way down, you can click on the Hide All button. If you click on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to hide all of your viewing activity. Click on the Yes button and this will remove all of your viewing history as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your Netflix history. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.